Hi, I'm Andrea Eldridge from Nerds on Call at callnerds.com, and today what we're talking about is how to restore a frozen iPod. So in this case we're demonstrating with an iPod Classic Edition. So if your iPod happens to be frozen, let's say here on the load screen, what you're going to need to do is wipe the device and resync with iTunes and reload all of the music and files that you had previously installed on your device so that you can start fresh. So the way that we're going to do that is from wherever it is that it's frozen, you're going to select the center select button. You're going to press and hold that with the menu button selected as well. So you're going to hold those down at the same time until the screen turns black, or at least fades to gray, like so. And then you're going to immediately press the center button and the play button, which is the portion at the bottom. And you're going to press and hold that down for a fairly long length of time until it goes to this disk mode that it's currently in right here. As you'll notice, this part's going to take a little time too, so we're just going to let this work through its process. Now it's going to give you this message here. It says OK to disconnect. What you're going to do is you're going to disconnect from iTunes, and then you're going to reconnect to your iTunes library device, to whatever computer you have iTunes installed on, so that it re-recognizes the device as a new item. And that's what's going to prompt your iTunes library to go ahead and allow you to do the restore function. You're going to press and hold your power button and your home button for a fairly decent period of time to actually allow the icon to pop up on the screen. It'll show a USB cable looking like it's plugging into iTunes. And as you see over here, at that point iTunes is going to recognize this device as a new device. So this message says iTunes has detected an iPod in recovery mode. You must restore this iPod before it can be used with iTunes. So you're going to go ahead and choose OK. And then you're going to select Restore, which is this button right here under Version. Once you select that, it's going to ask you to confirm, because obviously this is going to actually take off everything you've installed on your device, restore it back to factory settings. You're going to choose Restore and Update, and it's going to go ahead and start the relatively long process of reinstalling the software from your iPod, resyncing and reinstalling all the applications that you had previously installed. And it'll be back like it was before it froze.